Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Power ISO on your computer, and I will explain more in the next videos regarding how to use Power ISO, how to open files with Power ISO, and even how to boot or create a bootable image which you can use to reinstall the clean Windows from scratch. Okay, so now let's focus on the first video. That is to install Power ISO, and here depends on the system of your computer, whether your operating system runs on 32 bits or 64 bit. I believe that more than 90% of the computer users now use 64 bit. So, but you can check if it is 32 or 64. If you don't know, let me just take this time to show you very quickly. So open the Windows Explorer, and in this PC, when you see this, do right click, and after that choose the word properties. Wait, okay, and then you can take a look at system over here, and then system type. So this system type is 64-bit, and that's the reason why I go to the 64 folder. All right, so double click. All right, and now you can see two items. One is a file and one is another folder. So just do right click and then choose the word open or run as administrator. Either one is fine. So click on open, click on yes, and you have to be patient each time when you install the new application. The bigger the file is, the longer time it takes. So click on agree, installed, and you have to wait until it's completed. Okay, click on next, and now you should select all, and then remove the tick from check for updates automatically. And it's okay here, you can just remove it, because if you check this box, it means it's going to boot up with the Windows startup, and it's going to slow down the computer a little bit, okay? But it's not gonna cause any significant delay or slow down in terms of when the Windows starts up. It's fine. You can remove it because you will rarely use it, and that's the reason why you should remove it. And here the number of the drive we call virtual drives, which you can set up, okay? And to me, I choose the word no virtual drive because I don't want to add it to this one, the Windows Explorer. If you add the virtual drives, then if you add 3, then after you restart your computer, you will see there are 3 yellow drives like this one. All right, so then click on closed. Okay, so the installation is basically complete. But so if you want to get, let's say, the full features, the full functions, then there's another step for you to do. So double click on this fixed folder, and now double click on this file. Okay, you may hear the music. It's fine. And okay, so you have to hit on this button. Alright, and now you get it. Okay, so let me turn off the music. Alright, so it sounds better. And then double click on Power ISO. Okay, and then hit enter registration code. Okay, now you copy the username over here. Copy, and then you paste here. And you will have to copy the registration code and then paste it over here. So I do Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Click on OK. Click on OK. And now you have the Power ISO installed on your computer. In the next video, I will explain to you how you can open the ISO extension files easily without using WinRAR or without using even the Power ISO itself, easily just with the Windows extension itself. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.